case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1985, the Nebraska Supreme Court heard the case of Webster Street Partnership, Limited v. Sheridan, which revolved around the legality of agreements made by minors and whether they are obligated to pay for their essential needs, termed necessaries. The court ruled that the apartment in question was not a necessary, and therefore the minors were not required to pay rent. The case began when two minors, Matthew Sheridan and Pat Wilwarding, signed a lease agreement with Webster Street Partnership, a real estate company in Omaha, Nebraska. The lease required them to pay a monthly rent of $250 and included fines for late payments. However, the minors did not pay rent for the first 12 days they occupied the apartment. After they vacated the premises, the court found they still had credit for their security deposit. Webster Street appealed, arguing that the full rental amount was still owed. The Nebraska Supreme Court ruled that the apartment was not a necessary for the minors, and therefore the contract was void. One minor had disaffirmed the contract during his minority, while the other had done so after leaving the premises. The court sided with Sheridan and Wilwarding, awarding them credit for some of their payments and holding Webster Street liable for $3.25. The court reversed the district court's original judgment and directed a $500 judgment in favor of Sheridan and Wilwarding for rent and security deposit. The minors were relieved of obligation, and the contract was voided due to their disaffirmation during and after occupying the apartment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.